Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the name of a new Facebook page. Alright, so if you want to change the name of your Facebook page, this is how to do it if you are already using the new Facebook page experience. If you are using the classic Facebook page, the process is a little bit different, so make sure to check out my older videos on how to do that if you're still using the classic Facebook page. But if you are using the new Facebook page experience, a very important thing to do is to make sure you have switched into this Facebook page you want to change the name of, and you can do that by going to the top right corner here and check if the account icon is the same as the Facebook page icon. If you see your profile icon here, then you have to click on here, click on see all profiles and select the Facebook page you want to name the change of. But once you have switched into this new Facebook page, to change the name of the Facebook page, which is this one, all you have to do is click on the account icon here, then select settings and privacy, then click settings. Then on this page, click on edit here. And as you can see, as Facebook reminds you here, you cannot change your name if you have changed it in the last 7 days. And let's say I want to add something here, so new Cats Fans Forever instead of Cats Fans Forever. Then click on the review change. And as you can see, first you have to confirm the name change request, and Facebook will also review your name change. And as they say here, it might take up to 3 days. And they might require additional information. If you are happy with this new name, then add your password here. So your personal Facebook profile password, then click on request change. And in this case, as you can see, creating content with this name is not allowed. So maybe I have to make this a capital letter, then click on review changes again, add my password again, then click on request change. And as you can see, now this is fine, but Facebook will now review this new Facebook page name, and in about 3 days they will let us know if they will approve this new Facebook page name. So this is how to change the name of a new Facebook page.